Hey, welcome back, all you DIYers. Today we're working on a hot tub out here, and we're going to put on a new cover, and I'll show you a little bit how to do that. Let's get started. Alright, now you may be saying, hey, Mr. DIY guy, what the hell? You just throw a tub cover on, it's no big deal. But, well, on mine, as you can see, these arms that are up here, those are a little bit different than some of the other tub covers. Some mount at the bottom, some mount on the back. There's a bunch of different kinds. But the one I have has this lift system on it, and there are two panels that need to go along the side to be able to support that. Now, when you order a hot tub cover, you can order them with them in there, and they're like another 50 bucks. Well, I really wasn't down for spending another 50 bucks, and the place I got this one from didn't have that option. So I elected to go ahead and put them in myself. They're not that big a deal. In fact, the original ones were just two little pieces of metal that were maybe about 4 inches long and about 2 or 3 inches tall, and a little angle at the bottom. Well, I'm going to upgrade that a little bit. Here's what we're doing. Instead of just having that one little piece there, we're going to run this all the way along the side, so when that lift cover comes up, it actually has something substantial to actually screw to, and the bottom part here actually lift from. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started, and I'll show you what I do to kind of get it connected, and we'll see it all when it's all done. So first of all, I did already go ahead and set it on there and measured it out, and what I found out was that bracket needed to be 6 inches from the front edge of here. We don't want it on the outside, of course. We want it hidden on the inside. So first of all, first I unzip this, and I'm going to go ahead and take this cover, or this the insulated portion of this out, and we'll work on that piece. So, like I said, this is the way it's going to be on here. This is actually the top of the cover, so I want this bottom bracket to be along the side over here. In order to do that, I'm going to put these just like this, and I'm going to use some real good, some good heavy tape, and actually tape them into place so that they're not going to move on me or anything like that as I put the thing back together and get it placed in there. So let me grab the tape. Alright, now that I gathered my supplies here, I'm going to measure back 6 inches is where I wanted this thing placed. I'm going to put me a little mark here, just so as I'm putting things together, I know right where it's at, and it's just going to go just like that. So, first of all, just using some good, this is actually some T-Rex duct tape. I tell you, this is some thick stuff. It's nice, heavy duty stuff here. Like that. I'll work on the other side. Alright, so we got the other side taped on, this side's taped on. I guess now the tricky part's going to be getting this thing back in the bag, so I should know better than to record myself doing this. Alrighty, now get it put back up there. So, like I said, we want to make sure these are forward, and I'm just going to end up putting me a little pilot hole in here. Alright, so there's this side. I'll go get the other side, and then I'll show you how this thing works. Alright then, so got them all tied in here. It's simple. Flipping it back. Much easier when you're in the tub. And flip it back up here like that. And she'll just hang right there off the back. Should be good to go. So, hey, just so you know, Sky House Kansas City was awesome to work with. Was quick to get something for me, and had tons of different options, colors and sizes and everything else. So I'll try and put a link or something to his contact down there in Kansas City. And yeah, hopefully this will work out for you. I know it's pretty simple, but hey, I just want to share all my experiences with you guys and hopefully save you a few bucks somewhere along the lines, because quite honestly, these tub covers are not cheap at all. And this is kind of an extra thick one. It's not just those little 2-inch thick ones. This is, I believe let me grab it. This is a 5 to 3-inch, and it has all the cover in it. It even has a center little insulation piece in here too. I tell you what, guys, I couldn't beat it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll catch you guys later. Like, share, and subscribe like always. See ya.